Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Labor channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear cache on your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to the settings app and then scroll down until you find apps, and once you find it, tap on it. Now from here you need to select the app that you want to delete the cache of, so I'll just select this one, which is Clash of Clans. Now from here all you need to do is just find storage and then tap on storage, and here you can see at the bottom we have two options: clear data and clear cache. And in here you will see how much cache it is occupying and how much data it is occupying. Now from here, to clear the cache, all you need to do is just tap on clear cache, and as you can see here we have just cleared all the cache for this application. Now if you want to clear data, you can also tap on clear data, but please keep in mind that if you have added an email account or any game progress in here, that will be deleted once you delete the data. So I'll just tap on delete data and then tap on delete, and now as you can see we have deleted the data as well. And that is how you can delete the cache for any particular application on your Android phone. You can just go through this app list and select any app and then just go to storage, and you can clear the cache or delete the cache from there. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.